audible, guys? Uh, Good morning, everyone. Vishwadeep, Santoshi, Puneet, Kamlesh, so I hope my screen is visible. All right. So quickly, we are in the mid of this expiry, where Nifty right now it is trading at 15,900 around area, and right now we have seen a very, very, very deep fall from the highs of 18,000, almost 18,000 to 16,000 and 15,800. So now the question, the basic question is obvious. What is the next in the box, right? So let's analyze this Nifty. Before I analyze it, let me show you something very interesting. So guys, if you have subscribed to our, the confident trading video of Nifty, जिसमें हमने Nifty के बारे में बताया था. So this line, if you will read this line, this is very important line to understand. We released this video somewhere around March first week or Feb end. There we actually clearly mentioned that Nifty, Nifty as in where I have written market, but it is related to Nifty only. So market should not go below 15,800. So this was the level. 15,800 was the level, around 15,800, and then market bounced back. And later we said that 15,000 till June. That means ki at that time also we were expecting that market will fall again. But this time market will not go below 15,000 till June area, right? If you will see this. So we are sticking to the same point that market is not going to go below 15,000 for sure without fail, right? So this is the most important thing which you should understand, that market is in range. It is not the bearish market. It is not the deep bearish cut जो हमारा अभी मार्केट में हर जगह नेगेटिव न्यूज है और हर जगह लोग सिर्फ एक ही बात बोल रहे हैं कि बेरिश मार्केट इज ऑन. Guys, this is not a bearish market. इसको bearish market नहीं बोलते. Bearish market is literally something where market sustains below 20%, minimum 20%. तब हम उसको bearish market की कैटेगरी में डालते हैं. But if you will see right now, then market is in a range bound situation after such a huge upside move from around 6,000 level till 18,000 level. So we have to check. We have to ask ourselves कि इतनी upside के बाद, of course, we can expect some consolidation phase or some, healthy correction, which is 15% or 18%. So definitely, this is not a bearish market. This is just a correction. Bearish market will be confirmed if market will start sustaining below 14,000 or 14,400. राइट. सो दिस इज द लेवल जो मैंने आपको बताया है. ये इसके चांसेस 5% है, लेकिन फिर भी चांसेस हैं. और मार्केट हमेशा प्रोबेबिलिटी पे चलता है. मार्केट कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होता है कि इट इज लाइक कंफर्म कि यहाँ तक जाएगा या जाना ही चाहिए या इसके नीचे नहीं जा सकता. बट 15,000 we are expecting market to bounce back, or market will take some very good support area there. But there are chances that market will go around the 14,100 to 14,000 area, 14,400 area for just few days, and then market will bounce back and then start sustaining around these levels again, right? So the point is you should keep these levels in your mind. So 15,000 definitely we are expecting here, then we are expecting again, because this is how the market goes. And right now this is तो हो गया सर लॉन्ग टर्म की बात जो लॉन्ग टर्म में हम कर रहे हैं. बट व्हाट अबाउट द करंट सिनेरियो. अभी अगर हम करंट सिनेरियो को लेंगे, so I have written 3 major points here कि structure is still bearish. Structure is bearish means कि अभी जब हम structure की bearish की बात करते हैं, then we are saying that the current अगर आप ये पूरा देखेंगे तो जो current scenario है ये bearish structure में है. This is the bearish structure. Overall it is a range bound. लेकिन इस रेंज बाउंड में जो अभी लैग चल रही है, दैट इज अ बेयरिश लैग, राइट? सो स्ट्रक्चर इज डेफिनेटली बेयरिश इन द शॉर्ट रन, जो अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं. सो स्ट्रक्चर को अगर पॉजिटिव होना है देन 17,300 व्हिच इज वेरी फास्ट, सो वी विल नॉट टॉक अबाउट दैट. So right now we are in the clear structure bearish mode. Second thing, divergence is not visible except 1 hour chart. So divergence is not visible on any time frame as of now. So whether we take the daily, weekly, or monthly, there is no divergence visible. So let me show you. We are on the daily chart, so no divergence at all. So we are on the weekly chart. So यहाँ पे weekly chart पे भी अभी तक कोई divergence नहीं है, which shows कि यहाँ पे भी कोई strength हम expect कर सकते हैं. No. So no divergence between indicator RSI and the price. Divergence किसी भी momentum indicators पे हो सकते हैं, whether it is MACD, stochastic or RSI. So I am using RSI here. And the most important thing is RSI is reaching around the support level. So if you will see this green line, so this is the major support line from the 2000, 1994 levels. So most of the time Nifty bounce back from here, and if any deep cut come, then Nifty RSI will go below this. But most of the time Nifty bounced back from these levels. So this is the good news that Nifty is reaching around the support area, and so as the price is also reaching around the support area. So what we can expect that some more fall is expected. As I said earlier, the 15,000 till June area should not cross below. So this 15,000 area will, if it will touch this 15,000 area, then definitely RSI will also come below this, around the support area or at the support area. But as of now, if you'll see, there is a small channel going on, and this small channel is playing an important role. So what we can expect that we can expect some bounce back in days to come, like 2 or 3 days or 4 days, and then we can again expect a fall from that area. So let me show you that I have also shown that except 1 hour there is a divergence. So why I'm saying that we can expect a bounce back, because there is clear cut divergence on the 1 hour chart, and because this is the support area, that is why I'm saying. So if you will see, the prices is going up here. Let me put this into green. So prices is definitely going up here. So this has to become green. And now here we can see the prices are coming down. So divergence is there. So now, as I always say, and as always recommend, that divergence only we have to see when the prices are at support area. So how come prices are at support area? We can look at two areas where this fall, when the first leg of this fall came in, then and then after that we have seen a consolidation phase, and then this fall resumed. So we can clearly say that this area is equal to this area, right? So what we can say ki we are very near to the support area, and there we are seeing the divergence. That means what we can expect, that's in a day or two we can see lower, Nifty will touch the lower area, or Nifty will bounce back from here for some time, and then again it can resume its fall till 15,000 levels. So this you have to clearly understand that we are in the stage where at this point we can expect some bounce back if we see Nifty chart all alone. And if you will see overall support, then overall support is around this area. So in the short term, Nifty will bounce back, and then we can expect some fall again. तो व्हाट शुड वी डू, हमें क्या करना चाहिए इस पूरे फॉल में, हमें क्या करना चाहिए इस पूरे एरिया में? हमें सिंपली एक माइंडसेट में जाना चाहिए जहां पे प्राइजेस ऑफ अदर स्टॉक्स, राइट? अगर आप निफ्टी के ट्रेडर नहीं है और आप अलग दूसरे कोई स्टॉक्स परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं या उसमें ट्रेड कर रहे हैं, then definitely what you should learn, you should actually check the support areas of these stocks, and then you can try to buy that stock if actually there is a support area. If not, then what you should do, then if you are a Nifty trader, then definitely Nifty is around the support area in the short run, then you can try buying here, and it can fill few gaps on the upside, and then it can it can fall again. So we can see in two ways that this was the head and shoulder pattern, which we can clearly see here. So this head and shoulder pattern is also completing around the same area. So we can expect that Nifty should bounce back. So there are n number of reasons why divergence is happening on the 1 hour chart, and why the Nifty will take breather here and then again resume its downfall. This is what we understand. There is one resistance area also, if you will check this resistance area. So this resistance area is actually important resistance area, because let me show you on the channel part only. So if you will see this resistance area, and if you will draw this here, till here we can clearly see that this bounce back should come till here, and then it will it might fall back again. So here and here are the two resistance areas. So this can come up to 16,300, 16,200, or 16,300 or 16,400, or else 16,700. This could be the resistance area, and then again it can resume its downfall, right? So you should keep these two levels in mind for the bounce back, and then you can trade Nifty again, right? So this is what we can clearly see on the Nifty chart. So now what about the Bank Nifty for the week? So let me pull up the Bank Nifty chart for you. So here is the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is clearly trading in a beautiful channel range where we can clearly see a lot of activities happening. So first, you need to understand this, channel where I should change the color. So this is yellow color channel which we are seeing. So this yellow color channel will definitely showing the support is very nearby. So if you will see, the prices is already respecting this channel, and again resistance, and then again support, then resistance, then this it failed to touch the resistance, but again it is falling. So we are again very near to the support area, which we can clearly say with the help of channel. And this three layered up ascending channel will definitely help. And along with that, there are few patterns which we can clearly see. So one is this rising wedge which was there, December 21 say, and we can clearly see Feb 21 and then it breached this pattern and then again resumed it upside because of this channel. So what we can clearly say that all these patterns and then again this channel formation, it is showing only one thing. If it will breach these levels of around 32,600, 32,800, then only we can expect something very extraordinary in Bank Nifty. Otherwise, we can expect the bounce back from here. Again, we can clearly see some head and shoulder pattern. So this head and shoulder pattern, again giving you some target till this channel area, which is around 32,600. So people who are trading Bank Nifty could clearly, trade these levels of 32,000, 32,600, 32,600, say 32,800 area, and then we can expect some good bounce back. So Bank Nifty chart is clearer than Nifty chart, and we can assume that Bank Nifty will make a good support area, or will find the support area sooner than Nifty, which is a beneficial point. And definitely, if Bank Nifty will bounce back, then it will give the support. It will extend the support to Nifty also, right? Because Bank Nifty index weightage is very high on Nifty on market. So definitely ये आपके लिए बहुत help करेगा Nifty को bounce back करने में. So this is all about Nifty and Bank Nifty. I have clearly shown you the support and the resistance areas. So there is no divergence as such on the charts. If you will see RSI, so there's no divergence at all on the weekly chart. There's no divergence at all on the daily chart. But there is a support which is there from March 2020, May 2020, and this support area will definitely coinciding with this price area. So price action and RSI, it is showing that Bank Nifty will bounce back from here. And if you will see this support area, so this is also a very, very strong support area on the price action. So somewhere RSI and price action is showing that if Bank Nifty will bounce back from here, then definitely it will extend the support. And as I told you in Nifty, that Nifty is going to bounce back from next few days to a week or 2 weeks. So Bank Nifty is the clear-cut indication for this. But if something extraordinary will happen and a Bank Nifty will go down, if Bank Nifty breaches this level, then definitely you should be on the alert side, because 15,000 level, what we are checking on, Nifty, could possible if Bank Nifty will breach this level. So clearly, you should focus on the Bank Nifty stocks like SGFC, Kotak Mahindra Bank. That is why we are seeing all the Bank Nifty stocks are performing. Let me show you. Here is the list. So if we'll see, what is performing today? Bandhan Bank is performing today. Bank of Baroda is performing today. SBI is performing today. RBL Bank is performing today. Most of the banks are performing today. So definitely this is the good point that Bank Nifty is around the support area and it should bounce back. So guys, this is all about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope you will get some help with these live sessions. And now is the time when I should take questions from your side. So please let me know if anyone would like to ask a question. All right. Any question from your side, guys? Please raise your hand and I will allow you to speak. No question? All right. Okay. So, Shiva, you are now allowed to speak. Kindly unmute and ask your question, please. Shiva, good morning. Kindly unmute and ask your question. Am I audible? All right. I think, Shiva, you have to unmute and then you can ask your question.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Shiva.
Sir, your view on McDonald's, United Spirit.
United Spirit. Yesterday only I have checked this chart of United Spirit. Let me pull up that chart for you. So you want long-term view or short-term view?
Medium term.
Medium term means, Shiva?
6 to 12 months.
6 to 12 months. Kindly keep adding this stock on the downside. Definitely, we are very bullish on this stock because, it came out of consolidation after 7 years. And this is a very simple chart where we can expect and we can take the advantage of this downfall. So what are the levels where you can, actually accumulate this stock? So there are two levels, Shiva. First, you can accumulate this stock if this right now. First, let me tell you, this stock is trading around 800 levels. So the stock where you can accumulate levels of where you can accumulate is this stock is. Just hold on, please. So clearly, Shiva, if you will get this stock if in this fall, if suppose Nifty goes around till 15,000 level, then definitely this stock you will get till 700, 720 levels, and these are the levels where you can accumulate. Otherwise, we are very bullish on this stock.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Amit ji, you are allowed to speak. Kindly mute and ask your question. Amit ji, please unmute and ask your question.
Good morning. Good morning, Rahul sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, your view on Naukri, sir? Info is
Naukri. All right.
it good
Just give me a
place to accumulate?
Just give. Let me pull up the chart of Info Age. All right. So, sir, again the same question. What is the time frame you're looking for? Is
Sir,
it for
portfolio. Long-term
sir,
portfolio holding, sir.
Then definitely it is not the right time. Stock will fall at least till, if I'm not wrong, then right now it is trading at 3,500. Stock should fall till 2,600, 2,500, then you can accumulate, sir.
We should not start from 25% our investment. Yeah.
No, definitely. If you want to do some, trade management, and if you want to accumulate, you can start accumulating. But still, chart is clearly showing that 2,500, 2,600 it is possible on the chart. So see, I'm not saying, Amit, that stock will not bounce back. Definitely, stock can bounce back from here, but this bounce back will definitely definitely this bounce back will come to short this stock, not to accumulate as of now, right? So it is clear cut visible that Info Age is a very strong company. We all know that, right? But accumulation zone will only be around 2,700, 2,600. And if you want to start accumulating, then definitely you can start your accumulation from 2,800, not right now. You have to keep patience. Amit ji, as I always say in my learning batches, आप तो थे हमारे learning batches के member, तो आपको मालूम है सर, मैं हमेशा एक ही चीज बोलता हूँ कि अगर आपको कोई चीज बाय करनी है तो चार्ट के हिसाब से थोड़ा पेशेंस रखना सीखिए. So you have to have patience for next 1.5 months. I'm not saying कि आज के दिन में ही ये फॉल आ जाएगा. It will take some time. So बाउंस बैक के लिए हो सकता है बाउंस बैक करे, लेकिन फॉल अगेन ये एक्सपेक्टेड है चार्ट पे, जिसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी 80% 90%, 10% here and there definitely it will affect. So my view that you should wait. All right, great, thanks. All right, so we can take last question from Aditya. Yes, Aditya, yeah, you are allowed to speak and then you can ask your question.
Yeah, hi, good afternoon, sir.
Hi.
I wanted to get your opinion on LIC housing finance for like 1 to 2 years of time frame.
100. Okay. So LIC housing finance, it's clearly a range bond situation from so long, and it is not ready to catch the market movement earlier. Right now also it is not behaving as per the market. It is not falling as the market is falling. So Aditya, what you can do? Clearly you have only two options if you want to accumulate for next 2 years. That this this particular stock will definitely give you a better chance in time to come. So what I feel that you should wait clearly, as I suggested, Amit ji. You should not lose your patience. And the best level to accumulate right now, it is sitting at 340. So the best level to accumulate would be 260 to 80 levels, not above that. So definitely this stock should come. Actually, structure is bearish. Overall structure is bearish. Or right now also short-term structure is bearish. And definitely this will give one very very good opportunity to buy around 260 280 levels, and I think you should keep patience till then. And if you really want to accumulate, then you can start accumulation from 300 area, not right now 340, right?
Sure, thank you so much, sir.
All right, Shashi, let's take your question, last question, and then we'll wind up. You are allowed to speak. Kindly unmute and ask your question. Good morning, Shashi. You can
Hi,
unmute.
Rahul. Thanks
Yes,
for
hi.
letting me ask. So I'm looking for a stock, one or two stocks to be accumulated for the next 15 to 20 years. I'm looking to build a portfolio for my son. So which stock can I accumulate for 15 to 20 years of time frame with SIP, in the mode of SIP?
Close your eyes and start accumulating Tata Motors, I would say.
Okay. I already started it.
Without fail, you should not focus on any other stock. If you have that view of 10 years, 15 years, and that too SIP mode, that this is a very good thinking of a long-term investor. But Sashi, there's one suggestion: you should never buy any stock in SIP when it is performing well, right? You should
Correct.
always invest money whenever there is some correction in any good stock, right? So Tata
Okay.
Motors is the one stock which will keep performing for next 10 years, because it is a high time that Tata Motors stock has not performed from last 15 years, 20 years. And right now the company actually it is doing a fabulous job. If we'll see all the fundamentals and technical thing, then definitely Tata Motors is the one stock where I think you should accumulate on every day, and you should always put money whenever, as a SIP board, whenever there's some healthy correction of 20-30%.
Okay.
And just
Okay.
forget it.
Yeah. Thank you, Rahul.
But Sashi, I should appreciate that this is a very good thinking about the market, and if everyone start thinking about the same manner, then definitely there is no looking back.
Thank you, Rahul.
All
that
right,
sounds good.
thanks a lot, guys. Siddharth and Sanjay ji, I'm really sorry. We will take your question tomorrow. Time is up, so we'll take your question tomorrow for sure, without fail. Tomorrow, or I'm really sorry, on next Thursday. This is not everyday meeting. Next Thursday, I will take your question, right? Thanks a lot, guys, for joining in. Bye bye. Take care. Happy trading. Bye.